welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Hey girl. So today we're going to be doing this super quick, super simple half up, half down. We are going for the I just blow dried my hair and left the house look. So let's get into it. Okay, so hey y'all, this is gonna be really quick and simple. This is the wig that I'm using. It's a 4x4 like closure wig, and this is how I have my hair like sectioned off. You know, I always got my hair in twists, but I just kind of unraveled the twist in the front, made a part as best I could, and now we're gonna throw it into a ponytail and smooth it out before we add the jam. I can't remember if my hair was wet or not right here. It looks like it was. I probably had washed my hair the night before. But so I'm just adding some jam around the perimeter. You know how I always do. Because I feel like I need to get me some glaze, because jam adds a little bit of shine, but glaze will really like give me that shine that I be wanting. But yeah, so I'm just going to smooth that in, and then I'm going to make the actual ponytail. Like before it was the ponytail just to kind of like smooth it out. Now this is the final ponytail. And then I'm going to do just like some twist and then wrap the twist around each other to kind of like, you know, make a bun. I could have just like did it just regular, just wrap my hair around, because the bigger my bun on the underside of the wig, the bigger the bun will look like as a final result. But yes, yeah, so I'm just going to twist that, and then like I said, twist it around each other and give you a, you know, alfalfa look to die for. But you know what I also wanted to say, my face looks so like white and stuff because I had started my makeup, so I have like my concealer like of my dark spots, and then I did my edges off camera, and this is what we have so far. So now I'm gonna put a wig cap on. I mean, that's not really necessary, but for me, I just like to wear a wig cap. And now we're gonna get to it. This is so simple, y'all, it's ridiculous. So I'm putting a wig on, and then I'm gonna pull some hair from the back. You know, it's really up to you how much you want to pull. I was just trying to see, like, you know, what I had, because I wanted the bun to be pretty big. So I'm just pulling some hair from the wig, and then I'm trying to see like how thick it's going to be, and then I'm going to put it in the like ponytail. Well, wrap it in a ponytail with the same, like with my hair, so it's secured and kind of like anchored down. And even though it was anchored down like this, I did put pins in it, which you don't have to do if you don't want to, but I just like, you know, an extra level of security if I want to like turn up or anything like that. So yeah, once I got the hair through, I'm going to just play around with the placement of the bun and see like how big I want it, where I want it, like how like close to the front of my head I want it, and all of that stuff. All of that stuff is really up to you, like to decide how you want to do it. But yeah, so once I got the placement right, I went and got a bobby pin, and then I'm gonna like pin it down to secure it, because it wouldn't kind of like stay how I wanted it without a pin. And I just feel like I said, sometimes, you know, I'm a little enthusiastic, so I don't want my bun like popping out of place. So a bobby pin will just help me out to keep it nice and secure. And then now I'm taking a bobby pin on each side, which like I have gold bobby pins, so they was like very visible. But if you have black, you should be fine. And like I said, I didn't need it for real, but for me and like my comfortability, I put it in. But you can't see it on that side. You can't see it on this side for whatever reason, but on the other side you definitely could see it. So get you some black bobby pins, girl. I don't know why I have gold bobby pins. Okay, so that was super quick and super simple. Like, I wanted like a nice, like, just fluffy, looks like I just blow dry my hair and left the house. Like, that's kind of the vibe that I wanted to go for. You know, a real chill vibe. You could use any wig for this, literally. This is a closure wig, so like, you know, you can use any wig. But I'm rushing, because I'm always rushing. It's like, girl, when are you going to film a video when you're not rushing? But I'm rushing, okay? So I have to go. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Drop that in the comments. Let me know what you thought. And I'll catch you in the next one, okay? Enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessing. My husband about to walk in.